Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to disable payment gateway for specific shipping method in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see payment method, you see direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, and then you see shipping method, free shipping. So we are going to disable payment gateway for specific shipping address by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down. You can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to disable payment gateways for specific shipping method. Now in code you see gateway to disable. And then you see array, cash on delivery, payment gateway ID, and then you see BACS, payment gateway ID of direct bank transfer. So you can add multiple payment gateway ID according to your requirement, and then you see shipping method array. So we are going to disable payment gateway for specific shipping method. So you can add shipping method according to your requirement. So by using this code, we are going to disable cash on delivery and direct bank transfer payment method for shipping method free shipping. Now you see free underscore shipping. So this is shipping method ID. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. Now you see shipping, and then you see free shipping. Right click on it, and then you see inspect. So click on it, and then you see free underscore shipping. So this is our ID. Now close. Now you see direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. Now refresh the page. Now you see for free shipping method, our payment gateway, cash on delivery, and direct bank transfer disable by using custom code. Only check payment show because our shipping method is free shipping. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.